Hey everyone, welcome back to Prosperity Mastery Hub. In today's video, we're talking about how you can start investing with just $100. Yep, that's right, just $100 can get you started on your investing journey, and today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Whether you're brand new to investing or just want to learn how to make your money work for you, this video will break down everything in simple terms. Let's dive right in. How to start investing with $100. Choose an investment platform or app. The first step in starting with $100 is choosing the right platform or app. These days, you don't need a lot of money or fancy equipment to invest. There are apps designed specifically for people like you who want to start small. Popular apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash make it super easy to get started. You can sign up, link your bank account, and start investing right from your phone. Many of these platforms don't charge fees or have minimum account balances, so even with $100, you can start investing right away. Decide what to invest in. Now that you've picked your platform, let's talk about where to invest your $100. The good news? You have options. Here are the three main options to get you started. 1. Stocks. You can buy fractional shares of big companies like Apple or Amazon. Fractional shares let you buy a part of a stock, so even if the stock price is high, you can still own a piece with your $100. 2. ETFs. These are collections of stocks bundled together, so instead of betting on one company, you're spreading your risk across many. ETFs are great for long-term investors who want steady growth. 3. Index funds, similar to ETFs, but they track a market index like the S&P 500. It's a great way to own a little piece of the biggest companies in the market. So whether you want to own a piece of Apple, or spread your investment across many companies with an ETF or index fund, your $100 can go a long way. Before you hit that buy button, think about what you're investing for. Why is this important? Well, your goals will determine your strategy. Are you saving for a big purchase like a house? Or is your goal retirement? If your time horizon is short, you may want to invest more conservatively. But if you're in it for the long haul, you can afford to take on more risk and watch your investments grow over time. Okay, here's one of the best strategies for investing when you don't have a ton of money to throw in all at once. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to predict the perfect time to buy, which, let's face it, even the pros can't do consistently, dollar cost averaging is when you invest a fixed amount, like $100, on a regular basis. This way, sometimes you buy when prices are low, sometimes when prices are high, but overall, you smooth out the cost of your investments over time. So instead of stressing over market timing, set a schedule, weekly, monthly, whatever works for you, and invest that $100 regularly. Over time, this can help you build a solid portfolio without the worry of when to buy. Now here's a great tip. Automate your investments. A lot of apps like Acorns and Stash let you set up automatic transfers so you don't even have to think about it. Every month or every week, the app can transfer $100 or whatever amount you choose directly from your bank account and invest it for you. This not only keeps you consistent, but also takes the stress out of trying to remember to invest regularly. It's like putting your investing on autopilot, making it easy to stay on track toward your financial goals. I know $100 might not seem like a lot, but here's the thing. It's not about the amount you start with. It's about building the habit. Starting small is better than not starting at all. The real magic happens with compound interest. This is when your money earns returns, and then those returns earn returns, growing your investment faster over time. By consistently investing your $100, you're giving compound interest the time it needs to work its magic. So don't worry if $100 seems small, it's the start of something much bigger if you stick with it. Alright, let's recap what we've covered today. To start investing with $100, 1. Pick a platform or app that fits your needs. 2. Decide whether you want to invest in individual stocks, ETFs, or index funds. 3. Set your financial goals. Know what you're investing for. 4. Use dollar cost averaging to invest regularly without worrying about timing the market. 5. Automate your investments to stay consistent. And finally, remember that starting small and staying consistent is key to building long-term wealth. With these steps, your $100 can go a long way towards starting your investing journey. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting over time, and you'll be surprised at how far you can go. So, are you ready to get started with your $100? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Prosperity Mastery Hub for more tips on budgeting, investing, and building wealth. And let me know in the comments, what will you invest in with your first $100?